Organizing all of your prospects, buyers, and decision makers together in one area just got a lot easier with the Humantic AI dashboard and buying committees. To access the Humantic AI dashboard, simply scroll to app.humantic.ai, log in with your password and your username. You'll automatically be taken to the dashboard interface. The way that the dashboard works is it works in groups. You can create as many different groups as you want, which are basically accounts that you're prospecting to. To add a group, click on add a group, give it a group name, and add the group. I've already added a group here called Humantic AI Buying Team. Adding contacts to the buying committee is simple. You can use the Add Prospects button, you can put in LinkedIn profiles, email addresses, or you can upload an entire CSV file. Another easy way to add members to a buying committee is to simply use the Humantic AI extension. Browse to anybody on LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator, bring up their insights, scroll down to the bottom of the Humantic AI Chrome extension, select which buying committee you want to add this person to, click on add, we'll scroll back to the dashboard, refresh, and we'll see that Luis is currently being added. We can also group everyone together in a buying committee. For example, I'm going to select Sean, Amarpreet, and Maru. In the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to click on Analyze Buying Committee. This brings up a chart that shows us where everybody falls into the DISC profile categories. If we scroll down, we also see where we're leaning towards in percentage. How many people on this buying team are a dominant personality type versus influential versus steady versus calculative? We scroll down to the Magic Quadrant, which is basically giving you insights into where does everybody in this buying committee roll up in terms of how they'll behave in a buying situation. Sean and Amarpreet tend to be champions. That means that if these people are convinced they will fight for you, we always want to have 2 or 3 champions in our buying engagement. Neutrals, they can go either way. Friendlies, these folks will often tell you exactly what you want to hear. Move on to the next team that they're talking to and share the same exact insights. You got to be careful here. Skeptics, these are your calculative type. These folks are going to want to know what are the things to watch out for. Show me more detail. What's the ROI? And then, of course, all of the Humantic AI insights are rolled up into one easy area of do's and don'ts here where you can see everybody together. Another nice feature of the buying committee is you can download this as a PDF and share it with anybody on your team. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Sean at Humantic AI. Thank you.